Also today, more testimony in court as an officer involved in a shootout that killed 2 innocent people fights to prove that he was standing his ground, he says. 7's Nicole Ensalada is live at the Broward County Courthouse with the day's developments. Nicole.
Well, Lynn, defense attorneys for this now suspended Miami-Dade officer saying he is now being prosecuted for acting, for doing his job. But prosecutors say they'd already been told, he and other officers, that shots had been fired and to stay away, and that his actions are not justified under the law. Miami-Dade officer, now deputy, Brian Young, held a gun in one hand and drove with another as he helped pursue a stolen UPS truck on December 5th, 2019.
Who was previously shot at officers? Yeah, but I'm not going to man.
That pursuit leading to deadly gunfire an hour and a half later. The shootout followed the 25-mile police pursuit of the hijacked UPS truck carrying 2 suspected armed robbers and the kidnapped UPS driver Frank Ordonez, who ended up shot and killed by police. 4 officers charged with manslaughter in that shootout. One of them, Miami-Dade officer Jose Mateo, is trying to get his charge thrown out based on Florida's Stand Your Ground law. Prosecutors say the law does not work that way, that it doesn't protect a shooter who unintentionally kills an innocent bystander. Much of the testimony Tuesday, how did police perceive the threat? And did officers take public safety into account?
Again, attention all units, use caution. The subjects were armed, shots were fired. There is a 30 victim, and they do have the UPS driver.
Once Miami-Dade police chopper pilot Hector Rodriguez flew above that hijacked UPS truck, he was the eyes of officers on the ground.
Could turn in any direction, any speed.
But he confirmed to prosecutors danger to the public was a concern.
Anything could happen right now. Subject exiting vehicle with victim. A multitude of different scenarios can occur.
Scenarios that were a danger to the public?
Could be, yes, sir.
At the same time, however, he told Mateo's lawyer there was no order stopping police from firing.
Nobody will engage this truck until either I say so or until SRT arrives. Nobody gave that command, did they?
No, sir.
And absent that command, officers had to do as they saw fit based on the fluid circumstances you described, right?
Correct.
And as you could see there, we are hearing from many of the police officers from the various agencies who were there at the scene. Now, this is expected to last a few more days. And at the end of all of this, the judge could decide that Jose Mateo still needs to stand trial. And if so, that could happen in short order within just a few weeks. Or he could decide this manslaughter case needs to be thrown out. We'll have to wait and see. Reporting live in Fort Lauderdale, Nicole Ensalada, 7 News.